Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile Emulator. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile Emulator, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of FIFA Mobile. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you click clear cache, and in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile. You can click uninstall, and you can wait a moment. Then you can install again your application to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.